Hi guys, I'm Alton John G. Monchera. In this video, I'm going to solve the interest, principal, rate, and number of time period. So let's start. So in here, Fritz took out a loan for 195 pesos to purchase a car at a 4.3% interest rate compounded annually. How much will be the loan be in 5 years? So in this question, we need to find the compound interest rate. So in compound interest rate, the formula will be A equals P 1 plus R divided by N to the power of Tn. So first thing first, we need to find the principal. So A equals, so the principal will be 195,000. So 195,000 open parenthesis 1 plus, and the rate will be 4.3. So in decimal, 4.3 will be 0.043 divided by 1. That's because it is annually compounded, and the time will be 5 years, and times it by 1. And then after that, let's start solving it. So 195,000 1 plus 0.043 divided by 1, and that will be 0.043 because that is 1, and 5 times 1 will be 5. And let's start 195,000 and add this 1 plus 0.043, and that will be 1.043 to the power of 5. After that, 1.043 to the power of 5, and that will be 1.234 3023 110134. After solving it, you need to times the 195,000 times 1.2343023110134, and the answer will be 240,688.95, or we can round off this one into 240,689. So that's it. That's for number 1. Let's have another example. Jorge borrows 1,200 from a bank with 8% simple interest per year. How much will have to pay back total in 2 years? So in this question, we need to find the interest. And in interest, the formula will be A equals P 1 plus RT, will be rate times by time. And then first thing first, we need to find the principal, rate, and time. So the principal, rate, So the principal will be 1,200 and the rate will be 8% and time will be 2 years. So let's try solving it. So, A equals, and the P will be 1,200. 1,200 1 plus the 8% and decimal, that will be 8 divided by 100, and the answer is 0.08 times 2 years, 2. So 1,200 1 plus, so you need to times it. So 0.08 times 2, and that will be 0.16. Then add by 1,200 will be 1.16. After that, times the 1,200 times 1.16. So 1,200 times 1.16, and that will be 1,392. And that's it. That's how you get the interest per year. Let's have another example. Is example number 3. So Diane wants to open a showroom and borrows 48,000 on 12% interest rate. She plans to pay this after 4 years. What will be the principal plus interest she earned in 10 years? Example number 3, we need to get the interest rate. So the formula will be A equals P1 plus RT. So the P, or principal, will be 48,000 and the rate will be 12%. The time is 4 years. So let's try solving it. A equals, the P will be 48,000 1 plus the 12% is going 12 divided by 100, 0.12. 0.12 times by 4, because that's the time, 4. So 48,000 1 plus 0.12 times 4, 0.12 times 4, 0.48. So 0.48, 8,000. Add this 1 plus 0.48, that will be 1.48. And then times the 48,000 to times 1.48. And the answer is 48,000 times 1.48. And that is 71,040. 71,040 3040, and that's it. The interest rate will be 71,040. Let's have example number 4. Alex won 3,000 from a video editing contest. If he puts his money in a bank account that earns 2.9 interest compounded annually, how much total interest he earns in 10 years? So in this example, we need to find the interest compound. First thing first, the formula. We need to write the formula. So A equals P 1 plus R divided by N to the power of T N. So that's the formula of compound interest. So we need to find the principal. So the principal will be 3,000. And the rate is 2.9%. And the time is 10 years. So this is the principal, rate, and time. So let's try to solving it. Let's substitute the principal, rate, and time. So in here, the principal will be 3,000, and 1 plus the 2.9% will be 0.29 divided by 1 because it is annually. Then 10 to the power of 10 times 1. So 3,000, 1 plus 0.29 times 10 times 1 will be 10. So 3,000, add the 1 plus 0.29, and that will be 1.029 to the power of 10. And then 3,000, the 1.029 to the power of 10, and that will be 1.330925505. So let's try it. 1.330925505. And let's times it. So 3,000 times 1.330925505, and that will be 3,992.78. 3,992.78, and that's it. That's the compound interest, 3,992.78. Example number 5. Find the principal for a loan that has an earned interest of 3,500 with an annual rate of 10% for 5 years. So in this example, we need to find the principal, and the principal formula will be P equals interest divided by rate times time. So the interest will be 3,500, and the rate is 10%. And the time is 5 years. So let's substitute it. So the interest is 3,500 divided by the 10% will be 10 divided by 100, and decimal that will be 0.1. So 0.1 times 5. So 3,500 divided by 0.1 times 5, that will be 0.5. And 3,500 divided by 0.5, and that is 7,000. And that's it. The principal will be 7,000. Example number 6. Mark borrows 79,000 for 2 years and earn 10,017 of simple interest. Calculate the interest rate. So we need to find the interest rate. So the formula will be rate equals 100 times interest divided by principal times time. So the interest will be 10,017, the principal will be 79,000, the time is 2 years. So let's substitute it. So 100 times 10,017, that will be the interest, and the 79,000 times 2, that will be the principal times time. So 100 times 10,017, that will be 1,001,700 divided by 79,000 times 2, that will be 158,000. 158,000 and divide it. 1,001,700 divided by 158,000. That will be 6.34. 6.34 or 6.3. And that's it. That's for example number 6. Example number 7. If the interest earned was 55.20 on an investment of 230 that has a rate of 3%, how long was the money invested? So in this question, we need to find the time. So the formula of that will be I equals PRT. So the interest will be 55.20 and the principal will be 230 and the rate is 3%. So I substitute it. So the interest is 55.20 equals the principal is 230 and the rate is 3%, and in decimal 3 divided by 100 equals 0.03. So the 3% is 0.03 and the missing number is time. So let's solve it. 55.20 and the 230 times 0.03, 230 times 0.03, that will be 6.9. 6.9 divided by 6.9, and the 55.20 divided 6.9, that will be 8. So the time is 8. And that's it guys, and thank you for watching.